Bonjour. Bonjour.
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch the trailer of Stranger Things and I'm gonna react to it. I didn't plan at all to film today and also to react to this trailer. At first, to be totally honest with you, I was like, okay, I'm gonna play it and I'm gonna watch it on my own. And I began, like the 5 first seconds and I was like, okay, this is a real trailer, this is not just a teaser like they made some weeks ago, I think something like that. Like 2 years and a half now that we are waiting for the new season of Stranger Things, and I'm not sure if you guys could be interested by my reactions and my thoughts about it. And it's for you, Catherine. Kat, I think it's your alias, it's your nickname on YouTube. Catherine, you sent me this t-shirt 1 year and a half ago now on the PO box that I opened during that time, 1 year ago, and you sent me that t-shirt and I couldn't wear it on screen because of the fact that I was waiting, for the new season to be out for that. So, beginning the trailer, watching that it was a real trailer and not just a little teaser, wondering about am I gonna react to it or not, I decided to react to it for you, Catherine. Only for you, because I was like, you know what? 2 years that we are waiting for this season, 1 year that I have this t-shirt, Catherine, she deserves that. She deserves to have this reaction video. At least I know that she is gonna want to see it. So that's it. We are there to watch this trailer together. I don't know what to expect anymore with it, like Hopper is not dead. This is not even a question right now. Like during the last episode of the last season, during the review of it, I was in fucking denial. I was keep repeating you, he's not dead, he's not dead, I'm sure that he's not dead, you know my rule. Body cord, eyes closed. If we don't see that, the person is not dead. And since the last season was out, 2 years now. More than 2 years. We had several things on Twitter and stuff like that to show us that this girl was right, Hopper is not dead. So are we gonna see him during that trailer or not? I don't know. We have our guys who are separated now, so I think that we're gonna deal with that. I think that the writers also, they need to deal with the fact that they're actors, they are growing up, so I think that they're gonna imagine something like a time jump between the seasons to explain the fact that the actors are growing up, but also it can be a good thing because of that fact, that they are separated, they can make them evolve, they can change a lot of stuff because of that. We'll see! Let's go for this reaction video. Really, I didn't plan at all to react to it. It's Sunday morning. I'm too excited already for Sunday morning. I'm gonna watch it once without any break, and after that maybe I will come back to it with breaks, to really see what is happening into it. I don't know how it's done, this trailer, so I can't tell you in advance. I just wanted, to make a little reaction video just right there. For you, for me, for Catherine.
Dear Mike, today is day 185.
A time jump, I was right.
I think I have finally adapted.
You want to break my heart? What are you doing this time, Will?
I even like school now.
You do?
I have made lots of friends.
Maybe not that much.
Even so,
You're trying to reassure him.
mostly because I get to see you.
Now, thank
We
you,
will
kids.
have the best spring break ever.
You're coming back. Off. Okay, so clearly I'm gonna watch it again with breaks. What did we learn during this trailer with the first watching? We're gonna have a time jump. She's being bullied in her new school. She's gonna come back with Will for the spring break. But she's really living rough days in her new school and she's lying about it to Mike. She's still in touch with Mike a lot. Will seemed okay, but at the same time he's doing stuff and I'm sorry, it's weird. When Will is doing that, it's always weird. When Will is doing something, it's always weird. Okay, let's watch it again. I mean, not entirely, just the end, you know, with all of this picture. Where are you? It seems like she's seeing herself into a mirror. Right there, is it a school bus? Is it... It's a chair? Who are you? A box with a lot of... What? Hopper is sending you something. Oh, that's why! After that we can see... Yes, it's a Russian door. It's to tell you that he's in Russia. He's sending you that? How can he? What we saw about him is in jail, you know, a work jail. So how could he send her a clue about where he is? But it's for that, you know. Okay, gun. Someone firing. Someone attacking with a gun. An apartment from the outside. Mike and Jonathan, they are into that apartment. The fire things, it was also into that apartment. Chasing cars like you are following prison transport, keep back. It's a car transporting someone, it's a prison car transporting someone and they want to stop that car. Hopper maybe? We can't know who it is. They are making fun of you. Okay, so the three girls, you know, that we saw before, it was maybe the ones who are bullying you. It's making me so mad, so sad. An helicopter, army trucks, people waiting outside. It's that place, you know, the door is opening into that place. It's a desert place. Will and Mike. Mike seemed afraid. Will also. FBI agents or the guys from Men in Black. Okay, these two guys in fact arresting Eleven. I'm not sure that they are arresting you. It's into the desert, you know, into that place with the desert. They took you into that place in the desert? To meet someone, like you are looking at someone, both of you are looking at someone. A bunker. Army into that bunker. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That. It's army guys, you know, the ones who attacked that apartment. It's still Jonathan, Mike and Will, I think, protected by one guy. Army guys trying to enter by... You made that explosion, Eleven? We don't know a lot after that trailer, for sure, except for the fact that we're gonna have a time jump. We're gonna have Eleven who is bullied by people, you know, into her school. And she seems to not intervene, you know, to not do anything about it. She's accepting it in a way that's awful. We have Will who is drawing stuff. We have them coming back. We have Hopper or someone else sending the information. Is into Russia, you know, with the Russia door. Something important for this season, it's gonna be the opposition between Russia and US. You know, the fact that we have so many things, so many military things, and we have people defending our guys and people trying to, you know, to crash the apartment, to arrest them like that. It's really making me think that we're gonna have governments fighting to have our guys, to have Eleven. It feels like that, you know, for me. Especially that little picture with someone with a gun defending Jonathan, Mike and Will while someone is trying to enter. One seemed to come from an army, one seemed to be like an agent government. If I have to mix that with the fact that Hopper was arrested by Russian guys, for me it's really like we're gonna have Russian guys against US guys and they are fighting to have our guys, you know, to have the group, to have 11. Maybe this season is gonna get bigger, you know, it's not only gonna be our guys, you know, making their stuff into the school and stuff like that. We didn't see Hopper at all. We didn't see Dustin and Lucas. We didn't see a lot of persons, in fact, you know, a lot of secondary characters. I think that we're gonna have one episode, you know, about 11 and her new life with Will and his new life and all, to set the mood of the season for the characters, but I think that when they're gonna come back in Orchids, everything is gonna change and they're gonna be in danger. People are gonna try to capture them, to have them, especially 11. We didn't see any monsters, we didn't see anything to be afraid of. Do you understand what I mean? Like right there, the enemies that they are putting for this season with this trailer, the danger, it's not the other world, you know, the monsters from the other world and all. It's really like humans fighting each other. Do you understand what I mean? I think that it's gonna be, yes, a different mood, different villains, and it's gonna be more grown up, you know, this season. Because they grew up, but also because of the fact that the enemies are not monsters, they are humans. Am I gonna watch the title tease? No, because I don't want to have any spoilers. No release date, really, with that you are killing us. The sneak peek, I watched it. The sneak peek, you know, it was only pictures from other seasons, nothing new, so that's why I didn't make any reaction about it. Except for that image that we have, you know, and that we have also into the teaser. This one that we have during the teaser. A car on fire. Okay, and let's watch again with you. I already watched it, but let's watch it again. That house. Yes, an house, an old house, an empty and haunted house. I thought that this thing was interesting, you know, the fact that they put that, I don't know how to say it, that watch, you know, that thing on the teaser and also on the sneak peek. I thought that maybe they are implying that we're gonna play with time, you know, that maybe you can change time, you can change things, like you can go in the past or maybe in the future, like maybe the other world did something about that. I thought about that, you know, watching them on my own. See, they are insisting a lot on the timing thing. And the fact that you can break it. Do you understand what I mean? I didn't make reaction videos for the teaser and the sneak peek, but I had only that thought, you know, after watching them on my own, the fact that maybe they can play with time, you know, the fact that maybe you can go into the past, you can go into the future, there is something with the time, they're gonna play with the time. I wouldn't be surprised if with this show we are trying to do things like traveling into the time, you know, stuff like that. I wouldn't be surprised about it. Not during it, but maybe at the end of it they're gonna understand something like that, the fact that they can do it. The fact that they didn't say when the season is gonna be out, okay, next year, but when next year? Like, really, we are waiting for it since more than 2 years now? I'm not worried about the fact that we didn't see Hopper, we know that he is alive. I'm more worried about how are we gonna get him back, how and when they're gonna understand that he is alive, when they're gonna understand it, when 11 is gonna understand it, is gonna break my heart, be sure of it. Yes, my main theory after the teaser and the sneak peek, it was we're gonna play with time. future, past, present time, like can we travel into the time, something like that. Okay, we have that haunted house and that's gonna be fun. And my main theory after that trailer is the fact that during this season we have a time jump, a lot of things changed. She's bullied into her new school, she's gonna come back, we're gonna have people fighting to have them, and I think Russian army against US army fighting to have 11. That's my main theories for now, for this season. Tell me if you have other theories, tell me if you saw other things on the trailers, teaser or sneak peek that I didn't see. I'm interested by that. And I will see you again for the next season. We don't know when it's gonna be out, but I will see you again for that. And before that, if you're interested, I'm reacting to other shows and right now to some animes like Attack on Titan, Death Note and The Legend of Korra, you know, after reacting to Avatar The Last Airbender. Soon The Expanse is gonna be back, La Casa de Papel is gonna be back, The Witcher is gonna be back. That's gonna be great. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today, and I think that it's all for Stranger Things for this year now. So it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.